Welcome to the tutorial for saving and scheduling searches on the Intradyn AOS 7 Archiver. The Intradyn Archiver offers a saved search feature for the searches you expect to perform on a regular basis. You may save as many searches as you would like and perform them whenever you choose. Navigate to the search page. Here you may enter the desired criteria you wish to save. Here you can add, remove, and fill out the search terms as usual. Fill out these fields with the criteria that will be saved. You do not need to run the search in order to save it, but you may want to test it first. Once everything is to your liking, click on Save Search Criteria. The search will need a name and a brief description in order to be saved in the system. Click Save to finish this process. You can visit the Saved Searches tab to view the existing saved searches. Here you can see the saved search created in the previous example. For the saved searches you wish to run on a regular basis, the Intradyn Archiver has the ability to perform them automatically. These instances are scheduled searches. On the Saved Searches page, click the schedule icon next to the saved search you wish to schedule. Select the days you wish to schedule the search. Then enter a time and email to notify. Ensure this is enabled and apply any applicable tags you may wish to. Click the Save button to complete setup. You should now see you search under the scheduled search lists. This page can be returned to at any time by clicking the Scheduled Searches tab. You can also use this page to manage your scheduled searches and see results of previous instances they ran. This concludes the Saved and Scheduled Searches tutorial. For more tutorials, tips, and tricks, visit support.intradyn.com.